What's up guys, welcome back to Insta Global again. I hope you all are well and safe from online fraud. Guys, in the earlier videos, I have exposed Bitcoin fraud websites like International Global Pay, Insta Global Pay, Insta Merchant Pay, etc. If you want to watch these videos, then you can find links in the description. One of these fraud websites, Insta Merchant Pay, has already been closed permanently. But guys, this is not done here. These online scammers have already opened new websites with similar names. You may be or may not be aware about all of them, but today I'll tell you the present list of all these fraud websites who are scamming people and looting bitcoins of innocent people. So without wasting any time, here we go. Number 1. InternationalWebPay.com. New in the market, the domain name of this website has been purchased on 31st of July 2020 from GoDaddy.com. This website is just 3 months older. Like all other fraud websites, this website doesn't have any address or location for its registered office. I tried to create a free account on this website and this is what I found while registration. I just scrolled down to this section and I remember that I have also seen this section on any other website also. This website is Insta Global Pay. Both these websites have almost similar sections. It starts with create account, continues with make payment and ends up with withdraw funds. Moreover, the description under these options is also similar as this has been copied from each other. Number 2. InstaInternationalGlobalPay.com. The domain name for this website is InstaIGP.com. It was purchased on 8th of July 2020 from GoDaddy.com. This website is only 3 months older. Similar to the previous website, this Global Pay company also don't have any registered address or office anywhere in the world. I don't think so, but maybe these Global Pay companies are located on Moon or Mars. Guys, I had just seen this section in the website and my eyes are stuck here. I just find it a bit difficult to remember that where have I seen this section. Can you guys help me out here? Please write in the comment section that on which website this section is also available. Number 3. InstaWalletPay.com. According to ICANN, this domain name was registered on 12th of September 2020 means that this website is only 2 months older. This domain is registered with Namecheap Inc. Guys, the special thing to look for in this website is its logo. Please see the logo carefully. Have you ever seen this logo anywhere? Still don't remember it? I'll tell you. This logo was earlier for InstaMerchantPay.com. I have already created video on InstaMerchantPay.com. The link is available in the description. You can watch it from here. Number 4. InstaEPay.com. The design of this website is different from other Global Pay websites, but let's just stick to the basics. The domain name for this website was purchased on 2nd of September 2020, making it just 2 months older. Guys, this website claims to serve hundreds of thousands of merchants and business partners around the world as well as millions of consumers, but I am still unable to find its address anywhere on its website. Number 5. InstantWorldPay.com. Friends, this domain name was registered on 16th of August 2020, making it just 3 months older. It was registered with GoDaddy.com and the registered country is United States. Guys, this is the first website where I could find the company address. This website is located in Paris, France. But what about the authenticity? I searched on the Google and I found that this address is for Delta, a joint research unit of CNRS, that is Center for National Scientific Research. So this website have manipulated the address also. Number 6. DigitalGlobalPay.com. So guys, this is Digital Global Pay's website. The domain name of this website was purchased on 24th of July 2020. It's just 3 months older and is registered with Namecheap.com. Guys, can you guess which is the 100% copy of this website? Let me make it easy for you. Guys, you have surely heard about Insta Global Pay. Digital Global Pay is 100% copy of Insta Global Pay. Everything is same here except digital instead of Insta in the name. Just look at the navigation panel above. Navigation panels in both these websites are completely same. Scroll down and compare the contents of these two websites. You'll find it a copy of each other. There are some other similar websites also like Global Money Transfer, Swift Pay Pro and Insta Merchant World Pay. These all are also fraud websites which you should definitely avoid. Guys, you all may be curious to know that how I could find domain details. Don't panic. I'll now tell you that how I came to the conclusion. For this, just open Google and type domain info. Click on this website, that is whois.domaintools.com. Here, just type or copy paste the domain name of the website whose info you want to get, and that's it. You will find all the information here. Guys, if you know any other fraud website, then please let me know in the comment box. I'll create a video on that website and will highlight your comment in the video. Keep looking this channel for new updates. I'll be shortly posting my new video. Till then, hasta la vista guys.